She says, you're okay. They're having tornado watches. We're at Winslow. At the Winslow Diner. So if something happens to us, you know we're at last. Because I got a little economy car. It's only like 50 pounds. With me and Darnell and all our shit in there, it's probably only about 800 pounds. Look at that lady about to fly away. That lady's about to fly away in the green. Look, she's getting it. Look at her. She's like, I'm coming to eat, y'all. Oh, wait, there's another one. Oh, they're just blowing one in. Look. Good job, lady. She made it safe. The power's going out. The vulture's gonna come out. You don't have to leave. Probably something else. Babe, are you scared?
Oh, that power back there went out.
The power in the kitchen went out? Babe, are you scared?
No.
This is like the Bates Motel. Across the street is the Bates Motel. We might have to... Sorry, that scared me. Oh my God. Babe. Babe, what? I think... Heard something go pop. There's a generator. Yeah. And they're like, fuck. Everyone's like, fuck, we gotta go back to work. God damn it. Oh my God. Is this beer? Oh, it's so fucking funny. Oh, this is so hilarious. Okay, thank you.
You're still alive.
That was hilarious. I was recording outside. The car went out and it scared me.
Oh, I was right in the middle of getting your dressing. I'm like, come on.
Well, that's good. I got extra.